The Florida Gators and Missouri Tigers will meet up in Week 8 of the 2013 college football season. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRForum.com. Saturday's opening kickoff is scheduled for 12:20 Eastern Time on ESPN3 from Memorial Stadium in Columbia, Missouri in this SEC matchup. The Gators have moved from a pick'em to 3-point road favorites in the market, while the total stands at 44 at BetOnline when looking over SBROdds.com. Florida has lost 7 players to season-ending injuries, including 5 potential starters. The Gators had their 3-game winning streak snapped last Saturday in suffering a 17-6 loss to the LSU Tigers as 9-point road underdogs. The Gators have the 4th highest amount of rushing attempts in the SEC, but have the lowest yards per carry average at 3.9. Also, the Gators have 4 of their remaining 6 games coming against teams that are currently ranked in the top 15 nationally, and Florida is 1-6, and it's 1-6 straight up and against the spread in its last 7 opportunities as road favorites of 3 points or less. So very important to watch the point spread by going to SBROdds.com. Missouri 6-0 straight up, 5-1 against the spread, returns home after a 41-26 victory over Georgia as 9-point underdogs last Saturday. The Tigers, potential letdown spot given the fact that the program picked up its first road win against a top 10 opponent since 1981 when beating the Bulldogs. Also, the Tigers lost senior quarterback James Franklin for the rest of the regular season due to a shoulder injury. The team does manage to average 239.3 rushing yards per game, which is the second best mark in the SEC, and the Tigers are 5-2 straight up and against the spread in their last 7 opportunities as home underdogs of 3 points or less. From a handicapping perspective, I think the game comes down to turnovers, and Missouri has the best chance, in my opinion, to win that category as they enter with a +9 turnover margin, which makes me want to grab the points. So I'm going to back the Missouri Tigers as 3-point home underdogs against the Florida Gators on Saturday. This has been another edition of Across the Board here at SBRForum.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports. Cut.